Well, good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I just wanted to do just a quick update, unbox video where I haven't hooked what I'm going to share with you guys up yet, but I just received it in the mail today. And this is for my smart home lovers, the guys and girls who follow me for my smart home tech videos, to share different products, different brands. And you guys know I love ambient LED lighting. I think it's great, it's efficient. You get all these different colors to choose from. I mean, you get just the best mood for your home. And, you know, this stuff is so addicting that I'm running out of lamps. But I always start, I started off with the LifeX bulbs. That's my story. That kind of started the whole thing rolling. And so since then, since I've been doing the smart home tech videos, I've been branching out the companies, getting different products to review, and a lot of focus on the bulbs because there's a big range in price on smart bulbs. And, you know, LifeX bulbs are going to run you 55, 60 bucks. Depending if they have a sale or not. So I've been branching off into other companies, trying to see what they offer as well. And so I just want to go ahead and share with you guys what we sent in the mail, and I'll be reviewing this maybe later on today or tomorrow, showing you guys how it works. And so the products I got sent today is by a company called Flux, and they're makers of smart bulbs and smart lighting products. And so I just want to let you guys know Flux is sponsoring this video. They were nice enough to send me some products to review, and I just want to go ahead and thank them in advance. And this is going to be my initial, you guys know I don't normally do unboxings. I already opened the box, but it's kind of an unboxing because I'm going to share with you guys. So this is what's coming. So what I have right here, I'm going to close it so you can see the box. This is called the Flux Smart LED strip, and this is in red, green, blue, and white LED strip. And what's nice about this, and I was going to go ahead and show you the box. Nice, huh? It's a box. So a little bit about this here. It comes with a control, basically your red, green, blue controller, and of course your power supply, which is really big on this one here. These are probably going to be very, very bright. This is almost like a laptop power control. So this is a little bit, you know, depending on where you're going to put this, this could be an issue for you because it's so large, but I'll definitely make use of it. And of course you have your controller right here. And what's kind of cool about this one here and these lights, and I'll show you the strip, and they're not going to look anything really all that unique because these LED strips all pretty much look the same for the most part. But let me just go ahead and pull this out here and see what it... So yeah, you have your stick-on strip, and I'll just show you what it looks like there. Now you'll notice there's two different color LEDs there, and what they've done is this is not only an RGB controller but an RGBW controller, which of all the ones I have, I don't have one of these. And what that means is basically this will allow you to add white, and one of these bulbs on here, or LEDs, is white. So you have your red, green, blue, and then white when you just want plain old white. And the problem with a lot of LED strips, at least the inexpensive ones that I have, some of the inexpensive ones you get off eBay, is that in order to make white, they kind of do that with red, green, and blue and overlapping those colors. And you never really get a great white. Whereas these, I plugged them in just a little bit ago, and you really do get a real incandescent colored white. Now, I'm not sure if you can change that to maybe a cool white or whatnot. Nonetheless, that's something I'm going to come back to in a review. Now, this one here is not Wi-Fi, but this is a smart Bluetooth controlled device. So that may be something that works for some of you, maybe not others. What's kind of cool about it is that you won't be able to really use this, I guess, in the event, like, or in the way that you use your Wi-Fi bulbs. But let me tell you about Wi-Fi smart home products, is that in order for me to have almost 55, 60 devices on, depending on what's, you know, connected, there's always devices on from, you know, from the lamps that are always Wi-Fi connected, whether they're off or not. Some of the other smart bulbs by Magic Light I have. You have, you know, the smart doorbell, you have the smart garage door opener, you have all these different devices that are on, and I had a heck of a time with dropping connections. And so, you know, I'm not sure, I got it pretty stable right now, but what I had was just the more devices I added as I got closer to 50, things would just drop off. So I added secondary, I had 3 access points. Well, what's nice about the Bluetooth ones is that you don't have to worry about that. It's going to be controlled from your phone. I'm sure in this you could probably set timers and stuff like that. I'm just going to look on the side of the box here. It says here schedule timers, 25,000 hour rated LEDs, red, green, white, blue with 16 million colors. This one here is a 5 meter length with 300 LEDs. and there's SMD 550s, music sync, smartphone controlled, and you can group them with their bulbs. So pretty cool. I look forward to sharing that with you guys. Then they also sent me 2 of each of these. This is their Bluetooth smart bulb, and this basically does what this does, but it's in the form of a bulb. And I gotta tell you, when I first felt the quality here, definitely of nice quality. Like, this is all feels to be either metal or like almost like a ceramic. Very, very small form factor as well. Really nice looking. I mean, I have to tell you, this has the quality that I would expect for a bulb that is 50 or 60 bucks, not to name any names, but very, very nice. And then basically the other one here is the Wi-Fi version smart bulb, which is basically the same thing, but the only difference is naturally you can see that this has got to differentiate between the other one, a white kind of metal, or it feels like metal, to be honest with you. So pretty awesome. I look forward to hooking these up. And so without further ado, I'm going to cut the video and start to mess around with this stuff, and then I'll re-record once I get it hooked up and tell you guys what I think about it and show you it in action. I'm going to download their app and check that out. Next video I'll show you how that works. And once again, I just want to go ahead and thank Flux for their generosity in sending me this product. And on the next video, I will definitely share with you guys the price. I'll still put links in this video, but I don't really know what these things cost right now, so I'm going to go ahead and share that with you on the next video. So stay tuned for part 2. As always, guys, have a great day.